Microwave, a serendipitous invention from a melting chocolate bar. Have you ever thought that one of today's most popular kitchen appliances originated from an accidental incident? Let's explore the fascinating story of how the microwave was born from a melting chocolate bar. In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon, was experimenting with a radar system using microwave waves. While standing near the device, he noticed that the chocolate bar in his pocket began to melt strangely. Realizing this special phenomenon, Spencer continued experimenting with other foods like popcorn kernels and eggs. The kernels popped into popcorn, while the egg exploded. He quickly understood that microwaves could be used to heat food quickly and efficiently. In 1947, Raytheon produced the first commercial microwave, which was huge and expensive. However, over time, this technology was gradually improved, making microwaves compact, affordable, and common in every household. Today, microwaves not only save cooking time but also change people's eating habits. Ready-to-eat meals, fast food, and frozen dishes have become more popular than ever thanks to the convenience of microwaves. The food industry has also evolved, with the introduction of products specifically designed for microwave use. This not only saves time for people but also promotes the growth of the convenience food sector. From a melting chocolate bar to a world-changing invention, the story of the microwave is a testament to how serendipitous discoveries can lead to significant improvements in our lives. Are you using a microwave every day? Don't forget to share this story to spread the word about these fascinating inventions to more people.